How to fix cannot update the TikTok reason. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can fix the TikTok reason or country setting not showing on your phone. So if you can't find the reason or country option in your TikTok, this is often caused by these settings or an outdated TikTok application. So for that, you need to go ahead and update your app. So open your Play Store or App Store according to your device. Search for TikTok application first. Then if you see an update button over there, simply go ahead and update it to its latest version. Now check the location services. Go to settings of your device, search for location services, tap on that, and if the location is off, simply toggle the switch and turn it on. Now go to location services, toggle the switch to turn on the location, and you'll be done. Now change language and reason. So open your system settings again. Now search for language and region. It is under general management. So go to language. Simply choose the language of your country. Come back and search for your region. And simply go ahead and select your correct region. Open TikTok and check if the region is now showing. You can also try uploading the TikTok application. On iPhone, simply go ahead and open your general management settings. Then go ahead and open your apps and upload the application. But if you're using Android, go ahead and search for TikTok application. Once you find it, go to its storage and then click on clear cache. You can also try disabling or force stopping this application and re-enable it again. And last but not least, close all the applications on your phone and restart your entire device, and this should definitely help you fix the problem. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.